Hey everybody, if you are looking to boost your skin's hydration, fight the signs of aging like I am, you just want to get that perfect glow, that hydrated glow for a special event, I have something amazing for you. Our Biocellulose skincare mask. It is an absolute must for anybody who wants radiant, refreshed skin. Let's dive into what makes this mask so ideal. It is a complete game changer for hydration. It comes in a 4-pack and it has become my go-to for neck and face hydration. Get best results, begin with clean skin. I love to use the dual-sided makeup remover cloth to cleanse my face with just water. It is soft like a cloud. It removes all of my makeup. It's fast and easy, and it cleans your skin beautifully. Once you have done that, now it is time for our deep hydration mask. This mask itself is made from compostable fermented coconut water. It is crafted using elite Korean skincare technology. Korea is renowned for setting the standard for premium skincare masks. They are known for their ability to deeply hydrate, rejuvenate, and heal your skin. Unlike traditional masks, this is a 2-piece mask. Instead of a 1-piece, it's a 2-piece, which means that it's going to ideally contour to the shape of your face. Let's put it on and check out how easy it is to use. When you open the packaging, you'll notice that there are 2 pieces and they have mesh on both sides of the mask. So peel off the first side, apply it to your face, smooth it on, adjust it to the contour. Then you're going to peel off the outside mesh. Super, super easy. And again, you'll notice that it applies to your skin and it becomes one with your skin. Do it to the second, to the bottom, and then rub in any excess oil. Your hands, your neck, you're good to go. Now that we have the mask on, it is going to stay firmly in place and I can adjust it however I need. Now let's talk about premium ingredients. This mask has a unique blend of 4 types of hyaluronic acid, which draws in moisture deep into your skin for a plump and refreshed look. It also contains ylang-ylang oil, which provides a calming and cooling sensation with a soothing scent. There are no synthetic fragrances or harmful chemicals. This is only premium ingredients that are meant to heal, calm, and hydrate your skin, leaving it feeling so soft and visibly more plump. It's also important to note that these masks are formulated without sulfates, without synthetic dyes, fragrances, phthalates, oxyethanol, and without parabens. It's suitable for all skin types and gentle enough to use regularly. You're going to want to leave your mask on for 20 minutes. You can also leave it on for longer, that is up to you. And after removing it, you're going to notice a boost in hydration and a natural lift in your skin. Got a few tips for you. The first is there is a lot of serum in this package. Do not let this go to waste. You can put it on instantly, put it on your hands or neck, other areas around your lips. You also can take a jar like I have and squeeze it out into here and then put the lid on it. Now, a few other notes. This is amazing for gifts. It comes in a 4-pack, so your coworkers, your family, your teens and tweens are absolutely going to love this. It makes great stocking stuffers. I highly recommend packing this with a dual-sided makeup cloth. You can top it on the top of a gift. Like I said, put it in a stocking stuffer. You are about to go to a wedding or a big event. You have a family photo shoot coming up. You want to put this mask on 3 days before. That is going to ensure that you have ultimate hydration at the time of your event. So save these for a special event, use them weekly, use them monthly. I have absolutely, both myself and my team absolutely love this mask because it gives us that extra hydration and it's like a second skin. You want to make sure to put this right away in your cart because it is a limited edition item. That means it's not in the catalog permanently, unfortunately. So instead, it's while supplies last. Let me know if you have any questions. Snag a bunch for you, for loved ones to make this a wonderful holiday season. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.